children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can't hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
Om Gananaan tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavin Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrinvannodibhissiddhasatanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinama Vitrayavato Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om
Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namaste Rudramanyava Utota Ishave Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamudate Namaha. Yata Ishu Shivatama Shivam Babhovate Dhanuhu. Shiva Sharavyaya Tavatayano Rudramridaya. Yate Rudra Shiva Tanura Ghora Papakashini. Tayanastanu Vashantamaya Girishantabhichakashi. Yamishum Girishantahaste Bibharsyastave. शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगुश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निषेर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गथिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधायानातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्लुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः संग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावभिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषु धिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय चाभिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः आनिर्हतेभ्यो नमः आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिं यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तु हि श्रुतं गर्त सदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेध्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मीढुष्टमशिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरित विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्यो मर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशौ मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
लंबोदरा जय गजानना पार्वती नंदन परम दयालन पार्वती नंदन परम दयालन लंबोदरा जय गजानना विमोचन भव भयभञ्जना विमोचन भव भयभञ्जना प्रणव स्वरूपा हे शिवानन्दन प्रणव स्वरूपा हे शिवानन्दन पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि गजानन पाहि प्रभो पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि गजानन पाहि प्रभो मां पाहि गजानन लंबोदरा जय गजानन
सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ हरि गुण गाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ प्रेम भक्ति से भजन सुनाओ प्रेम भक्ति से भजन सुनाओ प्रेम भक्ति से भजन सुनाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ सदा साईनाथ के चरणों में आओ 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 मन मंदिर में दीप जीवन नैया पार लगाओ जीवन नैया पार लगाओ जीवन नैया पार लगाओ जीवन नैया पार लगाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ प्रेम भक्ति से भजन सुनाओ प्रेम भक्ति से भजन सुनाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ साईनाथ के चरणों में आओ साईनाथ के चरणों में आओ मन मंदिर में दीप जलाओ मन मंदिर में दीप जलाओ जीवन नैया पार लगाओ जीवन नैया पार लगाओ जीवन नैया पार लगाओ जीवन नैया पार लगाओ सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ
गौरीवरा गंगाधरा गौरीवरा गंगाधरा गौरीवरा गंगाधरा गौरीवरा गंगाधरा शंभु
प्रकाशा
पावन नाम हरे परमेशा
पावन नाम हरे परमेशा
पावन नाम हरे परमेशा
पावन नाम हरे परमेशा
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
गौरीवरा गंगाधरा मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आनंद रूपिणी साई शिव शंकरी 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 मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आनंद रूपिणी साई शिव शंकरी 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 मंगल शुभ करी माता महेश्वरी सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भज रे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भज रे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भज रे मानस निरन्तरम् सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भज रे चरणं परिमलदहनं श्रीगुरुचरणं परिमलदहनं श्रीगुरुचरणं परिमलदहनं श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयनाशन दुरितनिवारण भवभयनाशन दुरितनिवारण भवभयनाशन दुरितनिवारण भवभयनाशन दुरितनिवारण पतिपुरेश्वर पंकज चरणं पतिपुरेश्वर पंकज चरणं पतिपुरेश्वर पंकज चरणं पतिपुरेश्वर पंकज चरणं भज रे मानस निरन्तरं भज रे मानस निरन्तरं भज रे मानस निरन्तरं सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भज रे मानस साई पादाम्बुजं भज रे मानस निरन्तरं परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं परम पवित्रं पावन चरणं परिमलदहनं श्रीगुरुचरणं परिमलदहनं श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयनाशन दुरितनिवारण भवभयनाशन दुरितनिवारण पतिपुरेश्वर पंकज चरणं पतिपुरेश्वर पंकज चरणं भज रे मानस निरन्तरं मानस निरन्तरं भज रे 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 मानस निरन्तरं सत्य साई पादाम्बुजं भज रे मानस निरन्तरं
वीर धीर शूर हनुमान की जय
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 पवन पुत्र आंजनेय हनुमान की जय
पुत्र आंजनेय हनुमान की जय
पवन पुत्र आंजनेय हनुमान की जय
पुत्र आंजनेय हनुमान की जय
वीर धीर शूर हनुमान की जय
वीर धीर शूर हनुमान की जय
सदा राम नाम जपत हनुमान की जय
राम राम जपत हनुमान की जय
सदा राम नाम जपत हनुमान की जय
राम राम जपत हनुमान की जय
राम 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 राम
राम राम राम राम राम राम राम
राम
राम
राम राम राम राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम राम राम राम
सदा राम नाम जपत हनुमान की जय
राम राम जपत हनुमान की जय
सीता शोक नाश करण 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 हनुमान की जय
वीर धीर शूर हनुमान की जय
वीर धीर शूर हनुमान की जय
पवन पुत्र आंजनेय हनुमान की जय
पुत्र
नाश करण हनुमान की जय। धीर धीर शूर हनुमान की जय।
भजो भोला भजो हे अल्लाह साई भगवान। 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 राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान। राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान। साई राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान। राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान। नानक भजो गौतम भजो हे बुद्ध साई 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 भगवान। ईशु भजो सौराष्ट्र भजो हे महावीर 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 भगवान। साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान। साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान। साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान। साई भजो शिरडी साई भजो हे शिरडी साई भगवान। सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान। सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान। सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान। सत्य भजो सत्य साई भजो हे सत्य साई भगवान। अल्लाह भजो भोला भजो हे अल्लाह साई भगवान। भजो भोला भजो हे अल्लाह साई भगवान। राम भजो साई कृष्ण भजो हे राम कृष्ण भगवान।
राम कृष्ण तुम हो जय राम जय राम। 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 साई कृष्ण तुम हो साई राम साई 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 राम। यीशु पिता तुम हो हे राम हे राम। यीशु पिता तुम हो हे राम हे राम। अल्लाह ईश्वर हो अल्लाह हो अकबर। अल्लाह ईश्वर हो अल्लाह हो अकबर। शिरडी साई तुम हो साई राम साई राम। 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 राम कृष्ण तुम हो जय राम जय राम। राम कृष्ण तुम हो जय राम जय राम। साई कृष्ण तुम हो साई राम साई राम। साई कृष्ण तुम हो साई राम साई राम। यीशु पिता तुम हो हे राम हे राम। यीशु पिता तुम हो हे राम हे राम। अल्लाह ईश्वर हो अल्लाह हो अकबर। अल्लाह ईश्वर हो अल्लाह हो अकबर। शिरडी साई तुम हो साई राम साई राम। 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 राम कृष्ण तुम हो जय राम जय राम।
हरि 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 स्मरण करो हरि 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 स्मरण करो। हरि चरण कमल ध्यान करो। हरि चरण कमल ध्यान करो। हरि 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 स्मरण करो। हरि चरण कमल ध्यान करो, हरि चरण कमल ध्यान करो, हरि 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 चरण करो, मुरली माधव देव करो, मुरली माधव सेवा करो, मुरहर गिरिधार स्मरण करो, मुरहर गिरिधार स्मरण करो, हरि 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 चरण करो, हरि चरण कमल ध्यान करो, हरि 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 स्मरण करो, हरि 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 स्मरण करो।
नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तो सिद्धबोध तो कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तु, सविता पावक तु, ब्रह्मवंश तु योग शक्ति तु यशो पिता प्रभु तो, रुद्र विष्णु तो राम कृष्ण तो रहे बटाओ तो, रहे बटाओ तो, वासुदेव गुरु ईश्वरो बधु चिदानंद हरि दो, अद्वितीय तो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव दो, आत्मलिंग शिव दो, आत्मलिंग शिव दो।
असतो मा सत्यमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया।
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders, and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy, and peaceful. The announcements for this week are as follows. South African Pilgrimage 2026. The Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa will be undertaking a Parthi Yatra, a sacred pilgrimage to Prashanti Nilayam in 2026 July. The pilgrimage coincides with the July school holiday in South Africa. Please save the date, as planning will commence soon. Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day, and if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us. Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the national devotional coordinators to post the request on this group. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the Wheelchair Reuse Program. With Swami's grace, we have now loaned out 96 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. There is still a dire need for wheelchairs, as sadly the demand is becoming greater than our supply. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs, spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please do reach out to your regional Go Green champion for more details. The theme for Swami's centenary birthday year in South Africa is Sadhana, the inward path, the journey from I to we to he. Swami said that to get rid of demonic qualities, man has to embark on self-inquiry. Scriptural scholarship is of no avail in this inquiry, and the transformation must take place within. People have to ask themselves how they are using the time that has been given to them. To assist in this spiritual journey, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa has launched an online spiritual self-audit tool that may be used to track one's progress on the spiritual path. The tool may be accessed via the link sent out with the national communications. We pray that you have a blessed and a peaceful week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you for honoring me. Yeah, so I've been here the last 17 years in Baba's hospital. The thing that amazes me most is that I know this is a hospital for the poor. Baba started it for poor people, but it's open to everybody. And I would like to narrate some cases where it shows that the treatment for the poor is some sort of treatment. It basically involves different departments, different care from different departments and a coordinated care. And some of these patients need treatment going over a few months. And this sort of care is actually not affordable even by the rich in India, even the ones who are insured or who can afford treatment. So it's basically some extraordinary thing. Let me give you some examples. So we had a 20-year-old man who came breathless, and his MRI showed a spinal cord tumor in the entire spinal cord. He was breathless and he was paralyzed, neck down, for 2 months. He came breathless to a casualty and then we were admitted. and we took out his tumor from the spinal cord. It was a very long surgery, which could have been done in any other private hospital outside. But the point is, after surgery, he was here in ICU for 3 months. He took a long time to come off the ventilator. He required a lot of physiotherapy. And eventually, at 3 months, he went home with some ability to walk. He was moving his hands and legs a little bit. At 6 months, he came back walking. So this would not have been possible in any other hospital in India, any other private hospital, because I don't think anybody else can afford this. So it's not a question of being given treatment only to the poor, but some extraordinary treatment that even the rich will not be able to afford. Another example that comes to my mind is a 46-year-old man. He was a farmer, a breadwinner in his family. He came unconscious with an aneurysm, a balloon dilatation in one of the vessels in the brain that had ruptured. And so we had to operate on him as an emergency. We clipped his aneurysm, which again can be done anywhere else. But then he went into something called vasospasm after surgery. Vasospasm is where the blood vessel constricts, and that leads to a decreased blood supply in some parts of the brain and can lead to a stroke. So he kept developing vasospasm, which required multiple trips to the cath lab, where we had to give some injection through his arteries to reverse the vasospasm. And that took a long time. He was in the ICU for more than a month, required multiple treatments of this injection, and then again rehabilitation in the hospital, physiotherapy and rehabilitation, and then slowly he improved. And again, at the end of 3 months, he was back to his normal life, again back to his job in the farm. So these two are examples of where the rich people also, if they land up with a problem like this, they will not be able to afford treatment anywhere. So I would suggest and advise them to come to our hospital to get treatment here, because it's an extended treatment. It's a treatment that extends beyond departments. It's a multidisciplinary care, coordinated care, given all with a lot of love and compassion and a lot of coordination between departments. So my inspiration was actually quite clear. When I was in my 8th standard, I read an article in Reader's Digest, and I wanted to become a neurosurgeon based on that article that I read. And then I also wanted to serve in a hospital that was like free for patients, for the poor, because I knew what it was like in private practice. And I worked in a hospital earlier where I could see the patients who come for treatment, and the first thing that we ask them is, how much can you pay? There's a form that you have to fill, make sure they pay that amount, only then they get admitted. Treatment starts only after that. So that I didn't like at all, and I was wanting to work in a hospital which is totally free. And that time, actually, Baba's hospital hadn't started in Whitefield. And so happened that by the time I joined my course, the hospital started and the department opened up. So by the time I finished my course, it was a good time for me to join Baba's hospital. So like a dream come true for me. I think it has been a very enriching experience for me. Got a lot of experience operating on so many patients, getting in touch with very senior faculty, both India and abroad. A lot of academics going on. And the best part is that we can do all this and treat patients without having to bother with the bills and how much they can pay. So that itself is like a really good thing for all doctors. It's a very satisfying experience for doctors, which cannot be equated with getting more money outside. Like I told you, I feel very honored to have been given a chance to talk in this conference. I think it's a very important conference because it spreads awareness amongst everybody from different parts of India and abroad about Baba's healthcare and the dimension that is taken from starting from a very basic general hospital to a super specialty hospital, mobile healthcare. It basically spreads awareness of how vast the entire healthcare empire is, Swami's healthcare empire, and basically how it can be emulated in different places. So I think it's an eye-opener for everybody. And it's very crucial because it's been done in Swami's 100th year, centenary year. So I think it's a very important landmark.
Yeah, 15 years back, I got a call from Minister Geeta Reddy that she would take me to Puttaparthi to see Swami. I did not have any great faith in God, men, or God also. I was not atheist, but I believe that there is a superhuman power, but I don't go to the temples and do pujas and all that stuff. But before coming here, I know Swami, and I got the highest respect for him because he has done so much for the humanity. So providing drinkable water for the whole district in such a short period of time is not a human task. So I respected him a lot. But the moment I entered the Swami's ashram, some divinity struck me. So then I thought there is something divine here. So that was the feeling when I was here for the 2 days. And again, I got the highest privilege of seeing Swami and holding his feet. His feet were like a feet of a newborn baby. Such a soft, smooth and tiny feet. and he gave me a ring, and then he called me to Bangalore, and I had lunch with him. So those two are one of the highest moments of my life. Unfortunately, I could not take a photograph in those days. Somehow it did not strike me, or it was not allowed, I don't know. I could not take a photograph with him. That deficiency is always there. So, but those two moments are one of the highest moments of my life. Until that time, I did not believe the Godman, but I thought that there are some people who are blessed with the divine powers. And the work of Sai, I know, but afterwards I came to know more and more because I'm interested, but more than the Dr. Anil Mulpur is my colleague cardiac surgeon, who is your joint director of the trust. He is also very devoted Swami's disciple, and he keeps telling what are the work they are doing it and all that. And so I know the Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Sciences, Medical Science, how much work they do and all that. There should be another 1,000 Sai hospitals. That's it. It's not possible, I know, but I wish it is there. So much of great work is being done. As Swami encapsulated the 5 principles that treatment for all, universal care, and comprehensive care, preventive care, loving care, everything embodies the great principles, and all the 5 pillars are very important. I just spoke on the loving care, very important. People should give the love and compassion to the patients, not just mechanical. And Swami has done so much to this district. And as I was listening to other people's talks, majority of the people in this district are much richer now and much less health problems, because they don't need to go to places and spend lakhs of rupees going into debts. So that added to their physical as well as economic well-being, which is a tremendous social lesson for the whole world. One person with that vision and with this sort of establishment, what he can do to thousands of families, not only the health factor, the social factors. The moment your expenditure of health comes down, the moment your health gets better, your social standing also becomes more. You can put more money into your child's education, you can put more money into buying fields and do the village farming. So the social aspects are also socio-economically, you are much better off, and you are a happy man. So health is also good. So tremendous social experiment. So a lot of people are doing. I started a trust, and I do a lot of joint replacements free. And my slogan is one for mother, one for other. So, so one patient gets a one knee replacement, I do one poor patient a free knee replacement, like that. So we got a lot of initiatives. A lot of people are doing philanthropy. Again, I got so much inspiration from Swami. We started a trust called Sarvejana Trust, and in the trust we wanted to give a free knee replacement surgeries for the unaffording mothers. And so that's why we coined that slogan, one for mother, one for other. If one joint I give it to my mother, I will give one joint to other mother who can't afford. And that is the inspiration there. And the second vertical is we wanted to make the road safe and preventing the road accidents. That is again one of my trust objectives. I just requested the Sathya Sai Trust to put some focus into that area also, to preventing the road accidents, in which I will be very happy to be partnering the Swami's Trust, because that is where 60% of the accidents are man-made. So those are unheard or they are not given that much importance. So a trust of this magnitude should definitely devote some money, some time, and some focus on that, preventing the road accidents. It will be millions of bread earners will be saved. All these are bread earners. They are going to do their own job. Somebody comes and hits them. So this is a very, the deaths of road traffic accidents are more than cancer deaths, more than heart attacks, and more than lung problems. Road accident deaths. And again, road accident deaths, the global vehicle population, India contributes 1%. The deaths, it will contribute 11%. So that is the magnitude. But many people don't speak about that, but we think we should speak about that. You know, all the people who are in the white dress, they do thousands of man-hours work without any expectation. That's such a noble thought, noble things. That's what I say, when you live in this atmosphere, you become a good man. Yeah, I wish Baba is alive till today. A person like him should live forever, forever. He's still there in the spirit. He's still there in the chair. He's still there to guide you all. So that's the beauty of a great people. They inspire even after they disappear from this world.
Om Jai Jagadish Hari Swami Satya Sai Hari Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hari Shivadana Srikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpaladika Ashrita Kalpaladika Avarvardhava Om Jai Jagadish Hari Mata Pita Guru Daivamu Mariyantayunide Swami Mariyantayunide Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Sharana Om Jai Jagadish Hari Omkara Rupa Jasya Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Arati Anduko Mangala Arati Anduko Mandala Giridhari Om Jai Jagadish Hari Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadguru Deva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadguru Deva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadguru Deva Shanti 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 Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti 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 Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki Jai.
परमं पवित्रं वामविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं इष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं पापादिभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं भावविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं भावविभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं भावविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं भावविभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।